What are you making? It's okay. I'm taking a picture of you making it. What do you have there, Damian? Whoa. What are those? You're a spider robot?
Oh yes, and I'm a spider Kelly.
What do they do?
Ow! It's spider
Damian, what do you have there? Does it have a name?
I have a name. What do you mean? Mom, my name is Strongman.
Strongman?
And my name is Strong Robot.
Strong robot? And what can he do?
Transform.
Oh, he's a transformer? Can they say goodbye?
Goodbye. But you didn't know my name.
Oh, right. What's your name?
Spider Cave.
Spider Caleb?
Yes.
Fabulous. Say bye, Spider Caleb.
Buddy, I have a name.
What?
I have a
What?